Hey guys, today we're playing Minecraft. This time I have Parch with me, and we just had a call, and the Enderman said we need your help. Withers are attacking us. So what we're going to do is save the Endermans.
We're going to save the Endermans. Here we go. What are you doing?
Making the
I just want to kill.
Okay, calm down. I'm trying to make the portal. I'm trying to make the portal, dude.
Kill.
Almost hit the portal. Just calm down.
Descend in the portal.
You went to the portal! You went to the portal! Oh, what the heck? Oh, what? I can't see anything.
I can't either, oh my goodness.
Wait a second.
I'm just going to go out there.
No, don't go. I'm going to give you night vision.
Well, I can't see.
Wait.
I see an Enderman down there. Is he our friend or is he our enemy? Because if
Friend.
Get him.
Kill. Here, have a night vision.
Thank you.
What the heck, my game glitched. Okay.
Potion night vision. Use.
Use it! Now press, now hold down. Can you see better?
Alright, here.
Come on, follow me. Ah! Okay, follow me. No. Okay, come on, let's go.
Where are we going up?
Okay, come, follow me.
Where are we going?
I heard that there's a wither. There's a wither! Get your weapon!
Where is it?
Follow me.
Where is it?
We just have to kill him. Come on!
Where is it?
There he is. The mighty wither. He thinks he's king, huh? Well, I don't think so. He's gonna be...
Die.
Good night, he's pretty powerful. And also, we have to be careful.
Hey, wait, I can't swing my axe. What's going on?
Oh, and the only problem is he has a bunch of health. You know why? Because he has 300 health. 300 health. Oh, you're taking damage to him. Come on, beat him up. Yes. Every time when he's red, that means that he's taking damage. Come on.
I died.
Come on, he's pretty strong. That's why he has 300 health. I think the wither is better because the ender dragon has 2,000 health, 200 health. So it might take a while. Okay. Dude, my game is lagging. Come on.
I'm killing the wither. Get over here.
He's
Where
running
is he going?
He's
Get
running
up
like
there,
a
nowhere.
coward. Come on, don't be a coward. Don't be a scaredy cat, you wither. Come on, we got this. For somehow he's gaining health. Crap, he's breaking all the blocks. Why is this a disaster? The end mansion. Oh crap, get away. He's throwing bombs at us. And also the Endermans are helping us. Crap, my game is glitching so bad.
Just kill. The wither storm will die.
It's a wither, not a wither sword. A wither sword should eat us just instantly. He has a command block inside of his belly, but he is not a wither sword. Come on, we almost got him. We got him to medium-sized health. Come on.
Die.
Dude, he's pretty strong. Come on.
He's not strong. I am killing him. I'm the one doing anything. And you're over there just messing around.
I'm trying, but my
Where did he go?
He just died.
That's impossible.
He just went down.
I killed the Wither.
Wait a second, I'm sensing something. More withers are here. Follow me.
Where?
Follow me. I think I sense a wither here. Are you following me?
I'm right
yeah.
behind you. Get him.
Okay. Wait a second, I'm sensing some explosion. I hear explosions, but I can't quite see the wither.
Does the explosion represent a wither storm?
I don't know. Do you see any wither? I don't see nothing. Come on, wither scaredy cat.
I think he descended.
What the heck? Where did you go?
He descended down here. Look at all the bubbles coming from where I am. There's a bunch of bubbles coming from here. So the wither storm is even further down. Is that him?
Wait, where?
I've got a lot of bubbles coming up, guys. I don't know if I should go down there because I don't want to die.
Wait, I think I see a wither's right there. Look,
Where?
look. It's a super wither. He turned into his ultimate power.
I can't see. Is that a wither?
Yes. Come on, let's beat him up.
You're dead meat, Doc.
Where the heck are you?
I'm over here.
Oh, what? Where? I can't see you! Oh my gosh, I can't believe it!
Where is the wither?
Parch, I think I have some bad news. There are 3 withers! There are actually 3 withers!
Okay, you know what? I think I'm going to delete my game because how in the world am I going to fight 3 withers?
Come on and help me! This one is almost done!
I don't know where you are.
Oh my gosh, I can right see you!
You can see me.
You're just a merit! Come on! Look behind you, you idiot!
You're trying to come in.
Come!
Let's try. Here.
Come! Look at that! That's a
Run
super...
for me, then.
Look, that's a super wither! He thinks he's king, huh? You're a king? No way! We're the kings! Good night, he is.
Die.
Whoa! Did you... What the heck? How the heck did he get all the way over there? Get back here! We got him! He's going to explode! Get out of there!
Never.
One wither, 2 withers down. Okay, follow me. Follow me. Stop killing the Enderman.
Why? They're not our friends.
Yes, they are our friends. Come on, follow me.
Where are we going?
I see 2 withers. I saw 2 withers right here.
There's no more withers to kill.
Where is it?
Oh, gee.
Where's it? There's one. There's the 2 of them.
Where?
Up there. Good night. They're lagging my game. They're going all the way up. You see them?
Are they fighting each other? Are they throwing bombs at us?
No, they're fighting each other. Let's just... Come on, mission accomplished. We defeated all of them.
I'm going to kill them.
You can't go up there.
I'm up there already. Where are you, Dean?
Oh, do I seriously have to do this?
Stop going up in the air, guys.
Whatever.
Die.
I'll just go there the old-fashioned way.
Dude, they keep going up.
I'm coming with my super wings. I see these skulls. That means when I'm close.
Stop ascending.
Where the heck are you?
I'm up with the withers, but the thing is that they're so far up in the air, and I'm trying to kill them.
I'm getting in my...
Oh no, it's dark. can't see.
Eat this, Wither.
Potion.
Drink your potion. Good night. I didn't know there was that. Oh, come on, come on, come on.
You're still way up in here. It's like good night.
Super wings.
I don't know if I can
Get
go
up.
outside.
Get up high.
Good night. I can't even breathe.
Ouch. Can you see me?
Dude, they just keep going up.
Yeah, we should probably let these two have fun. Where are you? Oh, there you are.
Hmm.
Come on, we gotta get out of there. We gotta
Where
get
are
out.
you?
Down here.
I'm right here. Come on, keep going down. Keep going down. Keep going down. Keep going down. Are you still going down? You're just staying there. Keep going. Keep going. Okay.
Woo!
Wait.
Oh my god! This is too down! Oh my! This is my hurt. Ow! Hey!
I don't even see you.
I just fell. Stop flying and get here. Good night. I went too far.
It's nice to go on. I can't go down that fast.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so now
Okay, I see you.
is to kill the Wither people.
Wait a second. I think I see some Wither guys in our home.
I don't know, but I'm gonna go kill the Wither people.
Come on, follow me.
Hey, there's a bed here, guys. What the heck is a bed doing here? Is this Wither sleep? I'm gonna destroy the bed. Hey, I'm on fire! You
No. Haven't you heard that when you sleep in the Enderman?
There it is.
Where?
A Winderman. Kill it. Hey, buddy.
Hey, look! Look! There's a Witherstorm portal!
Where?
Here!
Let's go.
So guys, I think we're going to end up the video here. It was so fun killing these withers, but I think we're going to the Witherstorm dimension, and we'll see you guys next time. And you have to think what's going to happen in the Wither dimension. So click that like button and subscribe to hit down those notifications if you want us to see the Witherstorm portal. And until next time, later guys!